same dance you did.
Exact. Exact.
That's the exact same dance you did when the Humane Society sent you free puppy address labels. Address labels.
Label. Label.
Address labels. Address labels. Who got doggies on an envelope? Who got doggies on an envelope?
Envelope. Envelope.
Who got doggies on an envelope?
Quiet. Quiet.
If there's a problem, I'd be more than happy to help.
Well, the fact is, we just don't have a clue why our online payments
Clue. Clue.
don't have a clue why our online payments. Now it's all holograms and lasers. Grandma's right. Those were the days. It was a more honest time.
Honest. Honest.
It was a more honest time. What's with the lies? Just tell them the truth. We can't pay our rent, life sucks, and you need wine before oral.
Oral. Oral.
Sucks, and you need wine before oral. No need. We still have 2 other private parties set up for this month. The quinceanera for that pregnant girl.
Pregnant. Pregnant.
And the quinceanera for that pregnant girl. And the quinceanera for that pregnant girl. And then her baby shower. Plus, the holidays are coming.
Plus. Plus.
Plus, the holidays are coming. Sorry for following you. It's just you have the hair and jacket of a woman.
Jacket. Jacket.
Following you. It's just you have the hair and jacket of a woman. You think my mom lives indoors? Okay, look. For the last few nights, my dealer calls me after she sells pot to people.
Dealer. Dealer.
Nights, my dealer calls me after she sells pot to people. And I do not approve of pot at all. It makes people lazy and lethargic and drains all one's ambitions.
Ambition. Ambition.
Lethargic and drains all one's ambitions. Store is money to help us make the $600 more we need for rent. It's totally up to you. Should I knock or not knock?
Knock. Knock.
Should I knock or not knock? We're not selling pot, we're selling cupcakes. We didn't break any laws. There's nothing illegal about it.
Illegal. Illegal.
Laws. There's nothing illegal about it. All right, there's a dozen. What's a special occasion?
My cat died.
We also do funerals, divorces.
Divorce. Divorce.
We also do funerals, divorces.
Surprise! I was in the neighborhood and thought I'd stop by and say hello.
Under any other circumstance, I'd say never do that again.
Circumstance. Circumstance.
Under any other circumstance, I'd say never do that again. What? And I'm thinking of a number between 10 and 20.
I'm kind of trying to watch my waist.
Waste. Waste.
I'm kind of trying to watch my waist.
Oh my God! The phone ringing and a customer at the same time?
Customer. Customer.
And a customer at the same time? It's cool. I'll just call Kiefer and try to do a couple more cupcake runs. No, that's not cool. That's dangerous.
Dangerous. Dangerous.
No, that's not cool. That's dangerous. Provided like a second, because look, there's the landlord. He just went into that Moroccan place. What are we gonna do? Hide. What?
Hide. Hide.
Hide. What?
Where I should go?
It's too late for that. Lock the door, hit the lights, and crawl over here. And stay low.
Crawl. Crawl.
The lights and crawl over here. And stay low. Stay down until we're out of sight.
Ow! 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 It hurts!
Hurt. Hurt.
Ow! It hurts!
Time you've been on your knees in a back room. Caroline, you don't have to stay on the ground anymore. I feel like this is where I belong now.
belong, belong,
I feel like this is where I belong now. All right, good news. I just found $3 in my pocket.
pocket, pocket,
News, I just found $3 in my pocket. Or is it telling us to sell them? Max, we are not that desperate.
desperate, desperate,
Max, we are not that desperate. These turned out great. Good idea,
universe, universe,
Good idea, universe. Oh, it's like a skunk to skunk. I know. It's like a porta potty.
port, port,
I know. It's like a porta potty. Oh no, Chestnut smelling this. I got my horse stoned.
horse, horse,
I got my horse stoned. I got my horse stoned. Oh, relax. He's just trying to fit in at school.
fit, fit,
Relax. He's just trying to fit in at school. Are you okay? You haven't spoken the entire way over here, which is either a side effect of the pot or
pot, pot,
which is either a side effect of the pot or. And guys, we have to sell all of them, or tomorrow we'll be eating out of a dumpster. Does anyone have any uppers?
upper, upper,
Does anyone have any uppers? I didn't even know blonde people could be sad. Max, I have to tell you something. Come here. It's a secret. Come
secret, secret,
here. Come here. It's a secret. Come here.
Hey, Max told me about the rent. Why didn't you tell me you guys needed help?
I guess I just didn't want to have to admit.
admit, admit,
I guess I just didn't want to have to admit.
There is nothing you can do that is not hot.
Oh, then whatever you do not look at the video.
video, video,
Oh, then whatever you do not look at the video.
There is nothing you can do that is not hot.
Oh, then whatever you do not look at the video Max has of me rolling around in the IHOP parking lot.
roll, roll,
Video Max has of me rolling around in the IHOP parking lot, not covered in syrup.
I want you to have this. Cash it, don't cash it, do whatever you want.
cash, cash,
Cash it, don't cash it, do whatever you want.
That is the whitest thing I've ever heard. It was really sweet of him, but
sweet, sweet,
it was really sweet of him, but
She called me too and said you didn't have your rent. And also that for sure the rising waters of the ocean.
ocean, ocean,
And also that for sure the rising waters of the ocean. So we put together what we had and here.
Consider it an early Christmas gift from all three of us.
gift, gift,
Consider it an early Christmas gift from all three of us.
you know, Max, I think we're gonna make it. I like not stoned Caroline. We're
Stone, stone.
I like not stoned Caroline.